Hi everyone! So today I'm going to be doing a summer look, but I'm going to have like a twist to it, and I'm going to go back in time to the 1970s and base the eyeshadow on that sort of style where it goes past the crease. It's going to be very much 1970s with the emphasis on the bottom lashes. So I hope you enjoy it. So first off, I'm going to prime my face with Face Studio Primer. And don't forget your neck. So I'm going to use my usual shade foundation, which is Healthy Mix by Bourjois. I'm going to just add a little bit to each part of the face, because obviously I don't want to make it too heavy anymore. And then I'm going to use some concealer. I do love 1960s makeup and 1970s because it was all dramatic when it came to the eyes. Once you're happy with your coverage, you can start with your blusher, and I'm just going to use my favourite palette at the moment, which is the Rimmel Sculpting palette. So I'm just going to skip this bit because the main part of the tutorial is about the eyeshadow from the 1970s. So now I'm going to do the eyeshadow prep. So first of all, I'm going to use L'Oreal Paris Eye Primer. I'm going to go all the way up to my eyebrows because obviously that's the eyeshadow in the 1970s didn't stop at the crease, it went all the way to the top, which is one thing makeup artists don't really like now. And without using eye primer, your eyeshadow is not going to last long, it's going to rub off or fade very quickly. You've got to make sure you're going to put it everywhere the eyeshadow is going to go. For the lips, I'm going to go for a very basic nudie colour because I want the eyes to be the main focus on this look, because they didn't really play around with lipsticks too much in the 70s. It was mainly like light pinks and very faint pale colours. I'm going to go for this sort of shade, which is quite... And this is Velvet Matte Lipstick. And I'm just going to border it with a similar shade. Then on top of that, I'm going to use the Eye Power primer. This is another primer, just to give it more of a chance of staying on and lasting longer. So the more sort of a base you have, the better really. And for the eyeshadow, I'm using a Colourboard Beauty Glazed palette, Meet Your Match. And this has got so many amazing colours in it. And for the 1970s look, I'm going to use oranges and yellows because I think that'll look really nice and kind of hippie sort of style. So I'm going to start off with the lighter colour first, with the yellow. Slowly build up the colour first, and then I'm going to bring it upwards to the eyebrow. yellow down to my lower lash line. And I'm going to get a fluffy brush and start blending it out with the yellow again. Just sort of lift it up. Then I'm going to go in with the next shade, which is going to be probably do the pinky orange and then the sparkly orange. So I'm just going to add a bit more of the eye power, just to help it stick over the top of this. Just where I'm going to apply it. And then I'm going to take a flat brush and just gradually build the colour up. With the other eye. I think I need to add a bit more yellow to this one. Just go back in with the yellow shade. And back in with the orange and the pink. I'm going to blend the lines together a little bit more so it doesn't just look like one big mess, sort of two definite lines. And for this I'm going to take a neutral colour, more of a neutral orange. I'm going to take this one here, go in the centre between the yellow and the orange. And for the outer corners I'm going to add the darker red and the orange shade, glitter shade. And it will all come together when you've got your eyeliner and your mascara on with it, so I'm just patting a bit more of the red glitter using my finger because I find it a bit easier. And then I'm going in with some highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes. I'm going to use this white glittery one as the highlighter. So now I'm going to start with the eyeliner and then bring it all together. So eyebrows, do like the eyeshadow though, I think it's unusual. So when you do this you want to take your time on each individual lash. This is what gives it the 1960s/70s look, more the 70s, is the big dramatic lashes. I'm just going to go over this with a bit of a lighter colour. And this is the finishing look. And I'm just going to put a wig on to make it even more 70s looking. So here is the finished look. With the wig it looks more 70s because they always have the parting in the middle, don't they? And I feel like I'm on the set of like the original Chainsaw Massacre in one of those hippie vans. So peace. Thanks for watching, and give me any more requests to do other videos, because I'll appreciate that. Thank you.